My name is Miles, and this is Make with Miles Maker Mondays. In this series, I'm going to be asking makers 3 different questions. What's your favorite tool? What's the first thing that you made? And what's one piece of advice for young makers? Let's go.
My favorite 3D, or my favorite tool, if I had to choose one, would be a 3D printer because you can make anything with it. That's a cheating answer.
My answer is like something super basic, like a drill, just because you use it for so many things.
Yeah.
So many things.
Super versatile.
Yeah. I used to make mazes out of cardboard for my hamsters. Multi-tiered mazes. That was the first thing.
Legos.
I think don't be afraid of messing up.
Failure is just part of the process.
Failure is part of it. It's going to happen, and it happens to everybody, and it's totally okay.
Yeah, and just like keep on experimenting, and you'll find what brings you the most joy through that experimentation, through that failure, and just keep on going at it.